is Faloodeh and it's like rice.
Yeah, that's saffron Faloodeh.
Yeah, saffron.
Yeah.
And under the ice cream it's like rice, right?
No, that's rice. That's Faloodeh.
Oh, that's Faloodeh. So
Yeah.
it's completely like separated from rice. Okay.
It's like that. But it's so delicious, it's sweet.
Okay, nice. Okay.
I see it. This is good?
Yeah, it is.
Çok şekerli.
I understand. Okay.
Yeah, it's really good.
I like the saffron a lot.
Every time when I'm coming back from university, I'm past the home and coming over here, but eat this one of ice cream and then I go home. I really love this place. This is
The name of it?
Polo.
Polo.
Yeah,
oh,
Abdough
Polo. And this?
Yeah, and this is runamore.
Runamore.
Yeah, that's a chicken. So full of a chicken.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Wait a second.
It is good. It's one of the best restaurants in the city.
Yeah. Oh, there's a cat. There's a cat there. Do you have a Persian cat at home or not?
No, but I love to have it.
Really?
Because of my travel, I cannot get a cat.
Oh. I think it smelled the food.
I smell the food.
Okay. So this is traditional Shirazi or?
No, it's not. It's not.
Okay.
Unfortunately, they just.
Well, it's good. It's traditional Iranian, so.
Yeah, it's Iranian.
This is tahdig, right?
Yeah, this is tahdig.
Yeah.
In all of our food, we have something like that. It's good.
So like grapes, dried grapes and rice. Okay.
Is it good? You like it?
Yeah, it's nice. There's yeah, I like turmeric. I think good.
Yeah.
And it's like chicken, and yeah, okay. And you mix with that. It's good.
Good?
Yeah, it's really good. I like how the rice, like lentils and nuts and you like it.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's mix of everything in it. And some place even get most girdu. I don't know what's the meaning in English. Girdu?
Girdu.
Yeah. They make that kind of nuts in it.
Yeah. She broke my head for 3 hours for the Abdough Khiyar, so I took. Show me.
Me?
Yeah, mix.
من بلد نیستم.
ها؟
عزیزم اینجا انجام بده.
میدونم.
Just do it.
بلد نیستم.
خب کاری نداره. یکم از اون میریزی و یکم از اون میریزی. Okay, listen.
چنگال چی بود؟
Shangal, I know. Fork.
Wait.
It's your moment of glory, do it.
کلاً به بادم من نمیتونم اصلا. یعنی من میرزا قاسمی کشک بادم جون اینا بخورم
نه بگیر
دهنم تا اینجا تاول بادم.
Now show us.
اونم تک از اون داده
خدا وکیلی بگی خالی کن اونجا دیگه. والا کلاس اومد بذاره با قاشق بریزی. رسونده عمله.
شاید یکی به مقدار کافی.
و همشو بریزی خوشمزه شه دیگه. تو محلیه چیا هم میزنی؟
چیزی روش چیز بود دیگه.
بشه که هم خونه اینا میزنی.
نه
اوه.
خب این چیزش میافته.
یخش بیاد دیگه.
شاید دوست نداشته باشه یخشو.
اشتباه یخ بخوره.
She said it was very funny.
It is?
She said Abdough Khiyar very funny. She said.
Is that?
She said it's not food.
بچه‌م زن
I
زندگی.
think it's very funny.
Not food.
Do you like it, Abdough Khiyar? No? And of course, I followed her because... Latte. This is very traditional.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, very. She holds all the tradition of Iran in her hands. Yeah, yeah. Very proud of you.
No?
Okay,
Shangal.
wait for 2 minutes or
Oh my God.
این مردم یا با اون مرد دارم
Oh, yes. Come on. We will finally try Abdough Khiyar.
فلفل قرمز اینم نمکتون
معمولا پرداخت می‌کنیدم ببری؟
همکارم که سفارش گرفتم
کی میاد؟
میرسم خودشون میبرن
I'm in town trying to sell it. The girl, she top up my credit. She broke her back. Now she's talking about
Filfil?
Yes. Black pepper. Black pepper.
Okay, I try.
Yeah? What does steak look like?
Salad.
Salad.
Yeah, it's like salad.
Yeah. It's actually salad.
Mm.
Right? You...
It's very funny. You are right. Why is my guy looking like he just scored the 90+4 goal?
آمیوه چی بدم؟ یه انار بدم؟
9-0.
9-0
8-6.
Where are you from?
From Tunis, Tunisia.
Tunis.
Tunis. Good juice do you have?
Juice?
Yeah, good. Best. The best. One.
One?
Yeah, one of the best.
One juice bus.
Yeah, best, please. Yes. 9-0 8-6. مرسی خدا حافظ. The carrot juice, I like it. I like my fucking carrot juice. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god, this brings me so many memories because I haven't drank the carrot juice in years. Oh my god, carrot juice, the very best. Sorry, I can't control my emotions right now. And this thing. This, I don't know what it is. There is ketchup, I won't use it. Potatoes, it's like bricks, it's like burek. Really good.